How to turn on or turn off Assistive Touch Perform Touch gestures on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down, then tap on Touch. Next, tap on Assistive Touch. Then we scroll down. In here, tap on Perform Touch Gestures. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here says simulate a finger when performing gestures with a pointer device. When enabled, apps may recognize some gestures differently. For example, scrolling may be preferred over text selection. So if you don't like to use that feature, you can switch it off. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.